Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about Trojanbot's Renounced Coin Setting. So it is a key feature for traders focusing on safety and stability. So this settings ensures your bot won't interact with the coins that have renounced their ownership. So without further delay, let's dive into it. So when a coin renounces ownership, it means the developers have relinquished control over the contract. While this can signal transparency, it may also increase risk. So the renounced coin settings prevent your bot from buying or trading these potentially unstable coins, protecting your strategy. So in order to enable it, you just have to simply come to the copy trading of yours and open the wallet that you are actually copying, or you can even just click on the new option and then go to advanced settings. This is the renounced option, so by default it will be on no, so you just have to simply click on it in order to enable it, and you are done. So it is an essential tool for safer automatic trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.